कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे।
हेलो एवरीवन टू दिस न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। आई एम ब्रिंगिंग यू दिस एपिसोड with a lot of joy, I would say, and very interestingly, market though in this entire week has remained range bound, or it has adhered to the range that we have discussed last Friday, but the overall action was very interesting and we could actually map or tap the price action from one trading session to another. So it was very interesting kind of a sessions. Let's quickly take a recap. Let's look at the summary part. So what we had seen, market क्या लगता है, last week we said that the range for Nifty would be between 14,800 and 14,500. You know, Monday we saw this target of 14,500 and Nifty briefly touched upon 14,400 something, and then from there it again bounced back, right? Similarly for Bank Nifty as well, the range was between 33,000 and 32,000. So on the first trading day, that is Monday, we saw both the targets of 32,500 as well as 32,100. They got completed. Nifty briefly breached below 31,000 mark, and from there it bounced. And throughout the week, if you can see, it has remained into the range that we have defined. Now, the advantage of these particular ranges is that broadly, if market is staying in the ranges, then the trading becomes easier. You know, this view or these ranges are not for someone who do not know how to trade. Let's say someone is having a trade plan, and just by understanding that the market is going to be between this range, then it adds to the conviction of the trader, right? So this is what the whole purpose is. Let's go back to our WhatsApp group. So what was the discussion today? So this is my today morning's message. It was tad late today. So I'm saying often we come across some levels which defines the trend, right? So trend defining or a trend reversal moments. So we understand them as a make it or break it level. Today, Nifty level of 14,814 is one such crucial level, and for Bank Nifty it is 33,000. So traders must be cautious today, as today's action is very important. But if we can get momentum right and we can go past these crucial levels, then we may even see new high in indices in a very short span of time. See guys, today's day or today's analysis, today's market क्या लगता है video itself is a very important video. I personally feel that still today we are going to talk about range for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, but at the same time, if we break above this range, which I think there is a good possibility of Nifty breaking above 14,800 and Bank Nifty also breaking above 33,000 mark, then the momentum will be there and it will be a very good bullish kind of action. So let's go to charts and try and understand what kind of action is happening. So when we are talking about Nifty chart, see, as you can see in Nifty, overall this is a very dull kind of a consolidation. So Nifty appears very strong. It's after a strong bullish trend. It's been consolidating for some period, some week, few weeks. But right now, after forming a low here at 14,154, now Nifty is again going back strongly, and the candles are also bullish. Especially this specific week's candle is very good. It's a 192 point candle. Comparing to the all bearish action that we have seen so far, this is a good bullish candle. Even though it was bound by a range, still I would consider it as a very good bullish candle. Let's quickly go on to hourly chart, and let me also get the drawing tools that we have already marked on the chart. So this is the range I'm talking about, and as you can see, the opening candle on Monday itself made the low. It formed the low of 14,416. So it breached 14,500 for momentarily, and then again it jumped, bounced back from those levels. Broadly, if you see the entire week's action right from this candle to this last candle is broadly in the range, but comfortably we can say that right now we are above this range. So there is a good probability that the market may remain above 14,800 and in that case we may quickly see these levels of 15,000 or so. So again, so hourly chart here, again I'm not being over optimistic about the trend, but right now as you can see the range has shifted from 14,500 and 14,800 to it has now decisively shifted towards 14,800 and above. So that's going to be a decisive factor. Let's say if 14,800 is broken, I was expecting a close below 14,800 today, and then we may see some weakness. See, this range or this top that has been formed today is exactly at our important support level, right? So that is 14,862. Now because the price is below this level, so this support becomes resistance, and price has taken resistance over here. So if we break above this level of 14,862, then that's going to be a bullish story, and we may see 15,000 level very quickly, right? But as far as this week is concerned, I'm not going to give a very tall kind of promise. It is, again, I'm repeating, it's a make it or break it kind of a week. So let us stick by the range, and that's how I think it will be easier for us to take it forward. So range, again, we are talking about 14,800 and 15,000. So the range is getting changed, and this is the range that I'll be looking at. If we get a close below this, then there can be a bearish possibility, but as long as we are above 14,800, then this range will suffice our purpose. Cool. Okay, let's quickly go on to Bank Nifty. In case of Bank Nifty as well, the correction started from this level of 37,708, and we have seen a low level of 30,405. So that's a good, let's say 7,300 points correction, and from there we are here again at a healthy level of 32,900. Remember, there was a hurdle at 33,000 in case of Bank Nifty. Let's quickly go to hourly chart to see how this action has panned out. And just like Nifty, the action for Bank Nifty as well is well within the range for this entire week, right? And now I feel that this range needs to do some reshuffling. And again, see guys, understand that currently price is taking a lot of time in showing us bullish direction, right? That bullish movement. So it's taking a lot of time for that bullish movement or bullish momentum to be seen. So we have to ensure that whenever we are trading, we need to have momentum on our side. That's far more important, right? So now the range I'm changing here from 32,500 to 33,000. We are at 32,800 right now, right? So this is the range for Bank Nifty. Guys, understand, Bank Nifty is weaker index as compared to Nifty. In this week, in the middle of this week, I thought to myself that banks are looking very promising. But then there was a RBI government press conference, and after that announcement, banks are showing sluggishness. So there is no greater momentum in banking stocks. If we can see breakout above this level of 33,000, then it will be a good bullish kind of a trend. The target will be very simple for Bank Nifty. Let's say if I just plot this Fibonacci tool from this low to high, then the target will 33,500 will be first target. 33,583. $33,583. Okay, so this is going to be my hourly target if it is bullish. But if it is bearish, if the action is bearish, and if we manage to break below this level, right, then very quickly we might see these levels. So 32,000 level very quickly we might see, and from there it will be still a journey towards lower levels, which looks like a probability, But let's not anticipate anything. Let's wait for the charts to confirm, and then accordingly we'll take a step ahead. See guys, understand right now the bullish moment appears limited. If Nifty is not going to breach this mark of 14,860 very aggressively, then the upside is very limited. But if we successfully sustain above these levels, then we may see a new high as well. So we may breach the previous top of 15,400 and make another high. That's a very good possibility. But right now, as I said, it's a make it or break it kind of a week. So let's take one day at a time. Let's not be in a hurry. And that will actually give us a lot of clarity about the trend which is developing right now, right? So on this note, I think this is a good time for me to stop here and see you in the next week with another video. But during the week, I also expect you to observe messages on Telegram channel. Do comment in the comment section about how your experience has been, how this analysis is helping you. Is it helping you understand or learn in a much better way? And that's how we'll keep this journey going ahead. So do write to me, do comment, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.